Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm Erica Hughes. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think. This pour today is, I was challenged by a viewer to do a wave pour. So that's what I'm going for, like an abstract-y wave. So dried results are at the end of this video if you want to stick around to the end to see those. The wave pour is inspired by Molly from Molly's Artistry. I'll link her below. And if you'd like to challenge me to color palettes, a technique, another kind of abstract piece, just drop me a comment below and let me know. I'm just picking some that and kind of just getting through them. So I think I've done 2 so far. Let me know what you guys think. I do have the colors all listed as I'm pouring them, so you'll see a little box pop up. Mixing video is in the description box under this video, so you can check that out, how I mix my acrylic paint and my pigments and all that good stuff. That is linked in the description box below. All right, guys, stick around at the end for the dried results. I will talk to you guys soon. Enjoy. Bye. Okay guys, let me know what you think. Here's the dried result. Not bad, I guess, for my first abstract wave. Everything dried really nice. The colors are gorgeous. I love that bottom bit. And yeah, one of my subscribers had challenged me to try out the wave pour. So that is what I did. And this is inspired by Molly from Molly's Artistry. And I will link her in the description box below. But yes, please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Let me know what you think. Bye!